Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back to share another haul with you from a couple different places. The first is scrapbook.com. I actually bought some magnets. Now, these magnets were from Basic Gray, and they don't make scrapbook stuff anymore. So there's still a few places where you can find these magnets, which I use in my scrapbooks. They're also great for different types of flip books and things like that. And they're really nice size. So it's from scrapbook.com. I think these are the not the quarter inch. I forget what size they are. 3/8 of an inch, something like that. I got those. And then I got, four of these, because I saw this from Bona at Live Love Scrap. She gotten this from Tuesday morning. Of course, my Tuesday morning, they closed a Tuesday morning kind of by me. And so I feel like now this other Tuesday morning is getting more action than it did previously. So things are really gone quickly there. But anyway, she showed this die, which I really wanted to have. It's a thank you die, really cute to use as a topper. For Happy Mail, so I went ahead and picked that up from Amazon, only for about $1 more than what you would get at Tuesday morning, so it wasn't a really bad price. And then Spellbinders, I was on there because they had a sale, so I got a couple things that I was pretty happy about. I don't know if this will give you the price. I don't think it does. The first is they had... before I did the small die, large die of the month, there were a couple of ones I was interested in getting, and this was one of them. And this is the September die of the month from last year, and it's a Halloween one. I really just liked the sentiments. I like how they're put together. The bat, the ghost, the cat, really cute. And they have some examples here. And this was, I want to say it was $10, normally $15, so I think it was $10. So I got that, and these I believe were all $3, and these are the Spellbinders that go with the glimmer plates, the hot foil plates, and so these are, I don't know if they're newer dies or not, but I went ahead and got them, and I really need to do just a day in my craft room where I just do glimmer foil stuff and just play around with it. But these are really good price. I believe they're all $3, roughly $3, so good price. This one is a cute cactus one called Looking Sharp. You get 4 plates. You get the words that say Looking Sharp, and you get these 3 different cacti. So I thought that was cute. This one is a word die. It says Best Day Ever. There it is right there. And that might be cute inside a card too. And then this one, which I thought would be great for graduation cards, so I might make some of these for some of my seniors. It says, Your Future is Bright. So that might be cute for a simple card. And then this one, the cute little camper, says Happy Camper. And I like the font on that. It's really cute. So they were $3 a piece. I think they were normally $10, so it's a pretty good deal. And then lastly, the main thing I wanted to show you is my August La La Land Crafts box of the month, or whatever it's called. Basically, the month of August, it's their 5th birthday, so anniversary month. So they do kind of a special, they did a special package. So it's all birthday themed. I buy the die and the stamp of the month, so I believe it's $39.95. And so let me show you what you have. So this is the regular kit. So let me pull out the stamps because the little sheet that comes with it, you can see things a lot better. But I really, 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 really love the kit this month. Okay, so here is the kit. So basically you get your birthday Marcy, which you could dress her up for Christmas or Valentine's Day, I guess, also. Your sentiments, saying birthday wishes, your wonderful reason to celebrate, surprise, happy birthday from all of us, and congrats. And then this is the stamps that's called From All of Us. It has all the little creators that they featured throughout the year in their stamps. And then the dies. You get this happy that's like a present. I believe you also can use the negative happy. And then this birthday that has the eye as a candle. And you get this balloon as well as the, I don't know what you call this, the string, the ribbon, the bow, whatever, that goes on the balloon. You get that as well. That's the regular kit. And then you got a birthday gift. So the birthday gift was you got these balloon numbers, which I thought was just awesome to get these balloon numbers because you can use this for all kinds of things. And then you got a really cute little coaster that has the birthday month. So I thought it was really, really cute. So that was my haul, and thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.